Hi guys, Gurpreet here. Have you guys ever worked in a construction project where you have completed all your construction drawings, 3D models, and only in the end to find out that the work you have done is now outdated because of the outdated information you have? Sounds irritating, right? This was the problems few years ago which we faced. Now with the help of softwares like BIM Collaborate Pro or BIM 360 designed by Autodesk, this problem has significantly reduced. BIM Collaborate Pro, formerly known as BIM 360 Design, is a Autodesk software which acts as a real-time collaboration software between different project stakeholders like architects, engineers, and contractors. BIM Collaborate Pro also acts as a central document management tool for all project needs. With the help of centralization, we can always have the access to the latest information from all the relevant parties so that one can use that information to give latest design. So yeah, this is BIM 360 for you guys. See you in next videos.